Menteri ka tanar ka kot ka khia u ba el hek ula ong ba kipat ba akim patlong satia ban kheinsting ya klam koven tang ka ba pet ya ka jingduna ki ba bit thamai hakini ki shisni arsi.
As reducing or it is flattening, it is too early to take the conclusions. It's too early now because it is just only last 2 days it has been reducing. I might say it is flattening, but I'm telling you, we are as a government, we are taking review meeting every day to discuss about the situation. So we will take the call on this issue also. Very careful. You cannot be complacent. I've been telling this time and again. Now also I'm telling. The COVID war has not been over. It's not yet over at all. It might be reduced tomorrow, it might be increased tomorrow. It might be reduced today, it might be increased tomorrow. But we have to be very careful. As a citizen of the state, as a responsible citizen, we are all responsible to our own life. If we are responsible for our life, we have to be responsible for the life of others also. So this is our bound duty and responsibility to ensure we follow the protocol, protect ourselves, and we protect others also.